So good afternoon, all of you. Let me start. In the morning lecture, we will start with unit number 5, that is a curve tracing. In that, we will see the concept of singular point, multiple point, double point, node, cusp. Okay. Then conjugate point or isolated point. This point we will see. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is my voice is audible for you? Clear audible?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we start with some important diagram, important graphs to you. What is the straight line? What is the circle? What is the parabola? What is a ellipse? Or what is a hyperbola? So how we draw? So we see the first of all pair of straight lines. So write on that first pair of straight line. Write on. First topic is pair of straight line. Write down. First topic is what? First topic is pair of straight line. Write down. First topic is straight line. Straight line. Write in that. In that. First equation of straight line. What is the general? Y is equal to mx plus c. So how we draw this straight line? So this straight line we are dividing into 3 parts. 3 point. First point is just see that this is a explain. This is y plane. Okay. This is your center. Origin 0 0. The point is 0 0. Then next, this is another straight line we are draw from that origin. This equation is what is the equation of this? What is the equation of this one?
Y is equal to mx plus
Y is equal to y is equal to okay minus mx. Y is equal to minus x. What is this equation of the straight equation is y is exactly opposite. That is this one green line. The equation of this green line is y is equal to plus mx. This first point equation of straight line. Just draw this first point. Okay. हा पहिला point draw करा. Everyone draw this first point. Okay, just equation of straight line. इथे टाका first point. झाला first point draw करून. So just draw the first point. Now, secondly, we will see the point we will see. Okay, this is the then next point on to y-axis. And similarly, the equation is x equal to minus a. Similarly, plus a0, which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is another straight line. Then next, again parallel to x-axis. The third point minus b minus 0b. Sorry, 0 minus b. 0 minus b. This is parallel to y-axis. Then we draw another straight line. Y equal to plus b. Y equal to plus b. This is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So we got that 4 equation. We got the 4 equation. What is the first? What is the first? Y is equal to mx. Second equation, y is equal to minus mx. Third equation, x equal to minus a or x equal to plus a. Fourth equation, y equal to plus b or y equal to minus b. Y equal to plus b or y equal to minus b. Okay. Understood? A straight line. Hello. Understood straight line. Hello. व्यवस्थित कारण की ह्या सगळ्याच्यावरती आपल्याला पुढे ड्रॉ करायचं आहे म्हणून विचारलं तुम्हाला. Just draw. झालंय? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we see the second point, a circle. Now we see the second point, a circle. Second draw केलाय. We see the second point, that is circle. The circle. Now is what is the equation of
X
circle?
square.
Hello. Equation of circle. Hello.
X minus b bracket square plus y minus b bracket square.
Actually, there is a problem on my side. Actually, your voice is not everyone. Your voice is not come properly. Why this happened? Don't know. Yes, yes, yes. थोड़ा सा बोला यश.
Hello.
हाँ बोला.
Square equals to r.
It is a network issue from my side. Just a bit. I will close some app or not. That is a okay. Zoom is a network issue. I don't know why this thing is happen. Just I will see this thing is happen. माझ्याकडून तुम्हाला चांगलं जातं चालेल. X minus h bracket square. This is the equation of standard circle. Circle is present here, here, here on this x present the circle. It my camera studio. Then whether it is increasing my audio strength depend upon the value, and r is radius. Second is circle. So just relay circle. We are go to the circle. So first, this is what a point, a center. याला काय म्हणतो आपण center म्हणतो. Then just we have draw the circle. Suppose we have center first origin. So this is the circumference 2 pi r. This is the diameter 2r, and this is the equation of circle. Okay, this is called as equation of circle. X square plus y square equal to r square. Yes, Vishal. Yes, Vishal.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the equation of a standard circle. X square plus y square equal to r square. So this circle is called as
Standard.
this circle is called as center at origin 0, 0 and radius r. Radius r. We had the first equation of standard circle. Equation of standard circle is equal to x minus h is equal to r square. This is the equation of standard circle. Okay. एवढं आपल्याला लागणार नाही डायमीटर सर्कम्फरन्स वगैरे रेडियस. आपला स्पेअर कोन सिलेंडर नाही शिकवायचा. तर ते जर शिकवायचं असतं तर आपल्याला ह्या गोष्टी लागल्या असत्या. Okay. Then next we will see that some equation of another circle. Some point, suppose you have say bracket square, means y axis is absent. So you got that the equation is, if the center is, then the equation of the standard circle look like this. And what is the equation? X minus h bracket square plus y minus k. It's the equation of standard circle. X minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square. Now we go to the next. झालं का सगळ्यांचं? Hello. झालंय का? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now add the next equation. Suppose first next equation is suppose third equation or star kara. If y is absent, x minus a bracket square plus y square is equal to r square. So what is the equation we got? So this is the equation we got. For this equation, x minus a bracket square plus y square equal to r square. Okay. Similarly, suppose the equation is if the first point is absent, means the point is like this: x square plus y minus b bracket square is equal to r square. So equation we got, suppose we are draw this equation like this. And that the equation we got. So where this present? On the, yes, on this point, means your x coordinate is absent. Am I right or wrong? It's wrong one. It's wrong one, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's
Present
wrong
on
one,
axis.
it's present like this. Either this one or either this one or either this one or
Negative y-axis.
okay, negative y-axis. Depend upon your b value, na? Depend upon the b value. Where the b is present, we don't know. Where the b is present, we don't know, na? It depend upon the like this. This is the equation of this is the equation of x square plus y minus b bracket square is equal to r square. This is x axis, this is y axis. Okay. Similarly, we will draw this. Similarly, we draw this point. Similarly, the x minus a draw करना the same one. Is a two possibility. What is the first possibility? There is also two possibility. First possibility like this. First possibility this one, and second possibility is this one. Okay, these two are the equation like this. What is this equation? Just to change the equation, just a bit. Just a bit. So what is the equation we got? X minus a bracket square plus y square is equal to r square. If a is positive, then this value. If a is negative, नाही चुकते का? If a is positive, we got this value ना. आणि a निगेटिव्ह असेल तर x प्लस a येणार. सॉरी उलट झालं का रे? a पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर इकडे आणि a निगेटिव्ह असेल तर या साइडला. If a is negative on this side, if a is positive means x minus a इकडे येणार आहे, बरोबर आहे? जे काय असेल ते, you got the value. So similarly, we got this is a circle equation. This is a circle equation. If a is positive on that side, if a is negative on that side. Then next a parabola, or we see that ellipse. कुठे जायचं? Hello? कुठे जायचं? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just we see the next point. झाले सगळ्यांना ड्रॉ करून?
Yes, sir.
ड्रॉ करून झाले? झाले का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next point is ellipse. Right on the ellipse. This is nothing but your ellipse. Okay, this is equation of ellipse. Ellipse आपल्याला जास्त लागणार नाहीये. ellipse जास्त लागणार नाही आपल्याला. पॅराबोला जास्त लागणार. ellipse खूप क्वचित लागणार आहे. कार्टेशियन कर्व मध्ये आपल्याला सगळं पॅराबोलाच लागणार आहे. ellipse क्वचित लागणार आहे. So this is a major and minor axis. Lattice rectum of this equation or ellipse is 2b square upon a. Equation of ellipse, write down x square plus a square upon a square plus y square upon b square. Okay, now we next start with parabola. Parabola, right on the parabola, 4 equation upon you see. Okay, this is the first equation. We see that y square equal to 4x or minus जास्त अवघड कशाला घुसायचं. Just write down the draw the fourth equation, parabola. Draw this parabola, write down the fourth equation. आपण ड्रॉ करून घेऊया. खूप कशाला अवघड घुसायचं. But the first equation, that's very simple ना. कशाला एवढं लांब जात आहे? जे लागतं तेवढंच घेऊ ना. 12ला शिकलाय तुम्ही या सगळ्या गोष्टी. So this is y square is equal to 4x. Then next the second equation, y square is equal to minus 4x. Then next this is another equation. What is this equation? X square is equal to 4ay, and here this equation x square equal to minus 4 here. Okay, this is the parabolic 4 equation. This is parabolic 4 equation. First, y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to minus 4x, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. झालंय? हॅलो हॅलो झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the 4 equation of parabola. The 4 equation of a parabola. Then next, last one is hyperbola. If x is positive, right side. If x is negative, left side. Negative x-axis. If y is positive, positive y-axis, and if y is negative, negative y-axis. Okay. Hyperbola. This is the equation of hyperbola: x square upon a square minus y square upon b square. This is the equation. So this is a draw curve, and equation is what? Equation is what? X square upon a square minus y square upon b square. This is a hyperbola. This is a hyperbola. So that concept already we are seeing at 12th standard. Just we are repeat that concept again and again. जे लागते ते आपण रिपीट केले फक्त बस. Okay. This is hyperbolic equation. A special point on the curve is already we have seen in the morning lecture. What is the asymptote? Forget that next time. Okay. Or double point. This is called a double point. Okay. Then this is what cusp or node. We see this node also. We draw the tangent. This is called as node. Then we will draw the cusp. This is a cusp. Okay, this is isolated point. Okay, so this concept already we have seen in the morning lecture. So this is nothing but introductory lecture of this curve tracing. So we stop here because my one message from my laptop is low system resources may affect your audio quality. Try closing some application to improve performance. I don't know which application is open. So just your voice is not audible to me. My voice is audible to you, but your voice is not clearly audible to me. So that's we will stop here. We'll stop here. From tomorrow, we see that the concept of the curve tracing. We'll start with the first curve, that is the polar coordinate. Polar curve. Here is the curve by polar curve. So tomorrow we will see that. So today we stop here. Okay. Any problem? Please ask me. Hello. 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 Yeah, 5 p.m. After 5 p.m. Okay. Please reply. Your voice is not audible to me. Hello, everyone. Please reply in chat box. I don't know what happened. Just reply in chat box. Okay, okay, good. So we stop here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you very much. Okay.